the question is if Zooflow is a good product. So Zooflow came to the market about 2 years ago. It was very clunky. I stopped using it for 6 months or so, and then I checked it again, and it was improved by a lot. And in the last year, I'm using it primarily. So I used to have on my Zapier, which is same thing. I used to have all my business, and now I shifted. I have just few integrations on Zapier that are not available in Flow. For example, whenever I have a Zoho booking, someone books an appointment with me, I want to send him a Google reminder with the link to Zoom. In order to do it, I need to initiate a meeting in Google Calendar, and I also need to send Zoom a request to create a meeting with the same details. So for now, the Zoom integration in Flow is not existing as far as I checked last time. Maybe they added it, maybe not. Let's just check. So the information that I'm giving you here will be correct. No, it's not here. So Zapier has integration with Zoom. And whenever someone books an appointment with me, he's automatically getting a Google invite with the link to Zoom. So that's something that is very important for me. If you already know me or not, I'm extremely lazy in terms of stuff that machines can do for me. And this is the reason.